Hey, what's going on, guys? It's 8:05 a.m. I just finished trading live with the Learn Plan Profit Group. As you guys can see, some of the messages are still coming in from the live chat. As you guys can hear, I don't sound the best. Again, I am feeling a lot better though. One of the things that we played today, just like we do on a weekly basis, is the natural gas report. So what that means is this report that comes out on a weekly basis. It either shoots degas up or shoots degas down, or again vice versa for UGAS and degas. In this part, natural gas report came out, and again that is right around that 7:30 time, and it shot natural gas up, made natural gas a little bit more on the overbought side. I bought the dip on degas, and then it began to sell off, so again I made more money on degas. It tried to push up again, became a little bit more on the overbought side, and then again the more that natural gas sells off, the more money I'll make on ticker symbol degas. So I'm good on that. I traded UGAS during pre-market hours, and I didn't make much according to the movement that it had. So I made about $121 on that, if you guys could see that there. I traded DWT because of its overall uptrend, and I made $191 on that, and that was all within the Learn Plan Profit live stream. And then now we're waiting out for ticker symbol DGAS. So right now I'm down about $300 on that specific position, and I'm probably not going to add more. So again, right now it's showing signs of consolidation, showing this like peak formation right on degas itself, on natural gas itself. So once this thing begins to sell off, I'll start to make more money on ticker symbol degas. There, now you guys see me don't look the best. Apologize for that. We'll get back to the stream, but I hope that you guys enjoy today's breakdown, and hopefully we can end it on a good note. This it's caught in the crossfire. For this it's caught in the crossfire. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky. So today was not the most successful day or effective day when it came down to trading. As you guys can hear from my little sickness, but there's an individual that messaged me through TechBud Solutions that he scheduled a call with someone within our team, and we have not gone back to him. So I just kind of wanted to show something that I don't normally do is ever take these calls. Is, hopefully some of the questions that this individual asked about Learn Plan Profit, or what it's like being a part of our team or getting started.
Hello, Steve.
Hey, what's going on, Steven? It's Ricky.
Oh, hey, how you doing, Ricky?
Doing good. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking.
Sweet. So I got your message on Discord, and I wanted to see if I could answer any of the questions that you had about Learn Plan Profit.
Every mother, every child, every brother, it's caught in the crossfire. Everything else, like the daily stuff, chats all on Discord.
Yeah, so there's three main things that are included in the course, right? So it's the course and lifetime access to that. I'm actually working on updating it, so you'll have time to complete this current version, and once I update it, you'll have access to the fully updated. I'm updating the entire course just because that's something that I see a lot of people do, that if they do come out with a course, markets always change, especially from 2 years ago and now, is I want to make sure that I provide to my ability the most updated type of kind of trading and best practices, because my trading style has also changed in the past 2 years. So I'm going to be updating that. You get access to the private group chat, which also allows you to network and share ideas with thousands of other individuals that have completed the course, so the overall quality information is then that much greater. And then my live trading session, so Monday through Friday. Yesterday was one of the days that I missed the live trade, just because I don't know if you've seen, but I've been a little sick. No,
I can hear it. So.
Yeah, so I usually don't miss any of the live trading sessions unless it's either me getting sick or not having access to Wi-Fi. But I trade live every single morning for at least 30 minutes, sometimes to an hour and a half. I share my screen. It has a little, also, it's kind of like when I do my Sunday stock talk, I'm like on the bottom left-hand corner, and then you see my screen, and Like today I traded, what was it, you guys, I traded DWT, and I talk about my entries, why I'm buying there. I answer a couple of questions if anyone questions or has a question of why I'm buying and why I'm selling. The biggest thing that I want you to understand is like when watching me trade live, I get this so often, I'm sure that's not even something that you intend to do, but to not copy my trades. Like that's the thing that I want to stay the furthest away from. Being able to watch me trade live, in no way, like I don't sell alerts, I don't, when I talk about certain stocks, there's stocks that I'm watching, not that I'm calling out. And it comes down to the principle of me not trying to tell people what to do. It's teaching people the concepts in which they can build off of. So if I teach you a concept of how to identify something of a good deal, you can use that concept and implement it yourself. But if I tell you, hey, this is a good deal, it's going to be hard for you to then come up with a series of other ideas, that can meet that set criteria as well. So the whole point of watching me trade live is if you do ever have any questions, yes, you do have the ability to ask me within the Learn, Plan, Profit Discord chat. But I think, at least for the way that I learn, is to be able to see me trade live, and then with that live chat on the right hand side, that you will have the ability that as you're completing the course, or even after you've completed it, anytime that I do anything that you have a question of, or you have a certain question of like, hey Ricky, can you break down this stock for me, just to get my 2 cents after you've done your own due diligence, then ask it at that time. Like at that time, I am at service for you. So the rest of your day. Congratulations again on your business.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, you too.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
Take it easy. Bye. Alrighty, and one of the things that I did not at least share within this video just yet is one of the positions that I took on ticker symbol you guys, and you guys can see right here that it's $121 on the day, and one of my other positions that I traded within the live stream was DWT, that was $191.06, and then my other position was ticker symbol DGAS, which again wasn't even the most profitable. My overall P&L on the day, you guys can see right here, is a little bit under 500. Honestly, it was a really bad day. It was a bunch of like ups and downs, and the Learn, Plan, Profit group kind of saw me kind of struggle with my trade on ticker symbol DGAS and struggle with my trade on DWT when it came down to averaging up. I'm not saying I was a little slow today, but my reactions, again, just due to how I'm feeling and my overall just mindset, I was a little slow, and I wasn't in a place to aggressively day trade. Easiest way for me to put it. So I saw that happening. I just started responding to messages, and I started taking it easy. A huge shout out to Will for the soup that you ordered for me. I love it's albondiga soup, which means like meatball soup or something like that. I don't know, but it's like a Mexican soup. Ordered it for me. Really do appreciate that. I'm feeling much better in that aspect. I just have a really runny nose, and I have this like really scratchy throat. It no longer hurts. It's just like irritating, but yeah, I had a lot of fun when it came down to trading. Didn't make the most money, but just trying to make the most with it. So tomorrow's Friday. Hopefully we can end it on a green note. Was not the most eventful day. I do apologize for another, again, not so entertaining video. I hope that when I get better, we might be making a trip to California, and I hope that those series of videos moving on to the weekend can be something that you guys can enjoy a little bit more. So if you guys have any questions of what you would like to see within these series of videos, please feel free to comment them down below. If you had a green day, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and like always guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be your drive to success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.